quick shout out to me. All right, I finally have some sort of direction on my other channel. Come on over to Snappy's Electric Jams and check out some of my other irreverent content. Now, here's the deal. I got a new car, so I'm doing some videos based on it. I also got a new video game machine, so I'm doing some videos based on that, as well as we have a little treat of some bass jams, hopefully, in every video. So pretty much if it plugs in and is electric, I probably will do a video on it. If you like that kind of crap, this might be the place for you, as well as my nonsensical chatter. And how can this be wrong? Look, people really like the videos you're creating. It's on the internet, so it must be true. Hope to see you there. Thanks, guys.
Well, hello there, iNAPper people. This is the Somnix iNAP. I used it last night for the first time, and I realized I didn't go over the cleaning methods with you. So we have two different cleaning methods. I'm gonna do them completely out of order. So because I just used it last night, I'm gonna show you the daily cleaning of the device. First thing we gotta do is pull off the mouthpiece from the tubing. Boom, done. Next thing we gotta do is pull off this tubing from the top. Boom. Next thing we gotta do is remove the, what's it called? Is remove the dry pad from this spit container. And, oh, that's heavy. That got a little bit of spit last night. That's heavy. And now what we're gonna do is rinse all this stuff. And this rinsing will be done in my extra clean sink. Now, this main unit we don't touch. No touchy. No water for that. We're gonna rinse this baby out. Good. Nice, that's good. Good and nice. Now it says to rinse out this is the mouthpiece until it's no longer slippery or slimy. It's very slimy and slippery right now. Oh God, oh yeah. I'm kind of wondering what causes it to be slimy and slippery. And at the same time, I don't at all want to know what makes it slimy and slippery. There, no more slippage. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot a little water right down there. It says to use cold water specifically. Pretty good, no longer slimy. Nice. Let's go ahead and get the top too, because kind of gross. All right, next, it says to take the tubing and 30 seconds worth of water down there. Now, while we're doing this, you can see it's shooting out there. Now, while we're cleaning this, we can talk about some other things, as 30 seconds is quite a long time to fill in YouTube land. So I'm gonna do this out of order. Now, I did do the initial cleaning last night, but I didn't record it because I was trying to hustle and get to bed. So I will be doing the initial cleaning when you pull it out of the box in just a moment. Okay, that's it. Apparently you let this stuff dry all day. Now I personally am gonna probably stick it in the hurricane dryer because that shouldn't mess anything up, I don't think. And there we go, done. All right, friends, now we're gonna clean this as if we just pulled it out of the box. First you need a cup. We got a cup. Nice, cool water. Very nice. Okay, we're not gonna stick a dry pad in here yet because that would be ridiculous. Instead, we're just gonna close this up. Very nice. We're gonna go ahead and attach our big buddy boy right here. Very nice. Now we're going to attach our mouthpiece. Come here, you. Oh, my hands are all wet. We're gonna attach this to the top, and now it says, go ahead and lay that baby sideways. We're gonna dip this in the cup. That thing's laid sideways. And then it says, make sure this is entirely submerged underwater, which it is. Then we're gonna push and hold. It's gonna be drawing the water out. We're gonna wait apparently until this guy is full. Feast your eyes on that. Got some suction going. It says that when the saliva container, this guy, is full, this light will become a solid orange. And then you wanna just sit there and let it wait for 15 minutes. After that, we're gonna drain the water out, clean the oral interface, tubing, and container with running water. Pretty much like we just did. Then we're going to dry it off and use it again tonight. It says you might need to do this a couple times. Okay, so now we have a soft flashing light. The sucker is getting very full, like really full. It's full. Okay, so now we need to let it sit there for 15 minutes. I'll just fast forward through that. You're welcome. All right, that has been 15 minutes. I'm gonna turn this unit back off because I don't want it sucking anymore. And drain that baby. Gonna drain this sucker. And I'm gonna go ahead and stick these in my hurricane dryer. If you don't have that, I'm not really 100% sure how you're supposed to dry it out, but I'm sure you guys can get creative. Now, according to iNAP's instructions, do not put it in sunlight. That apparently is not good for it. It's in the directions. I don't know why, I didn't really say. It just says, don't put it in sunlight. Don't let it get tangled or kinked either. So that's it. As far as daily cleaning, not that bad. As far as initial setup, really not that bad. That's it. Hopefully it helped. If it did, nice. If it didn't help, sorry. Maybe next time. Will this be a viable alternative for some CPAP users that aren't digging CPAP? We'll have to find that out later. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Why does your mask smell like my feet? Pick up some Mask Bright today. Thank you to all watching, but an extra thick thanks, buddy, to Doug Toombs, Jason Georgiades, Matthew Lilly, Mona Swearingen, Patricia Espelong, Ray Troutman, Sarvesh Joshi, and Stuart Hetherington, as well as a big thank you to all my other Patreon supporters and YouTube members. Little tiny thanks, buddy, for you guys.